Add me. Hit a team PK. Hit friendly. Chestnut checkers. Already, bro. Already, bro. Add nature boy. Let's see. All right, chestnut checker. All right, so friend PK. I'm on the friend PK. The friend PK gonna do the same shit it did. And they ain't sending me no requests. Hold on. Team PK. Friend PK. Let's see. This might do it. No, it's matching me though. It's picking up random people. Hold up. 10 PK designated PK. But that's family though. Oh, here. Hold on. This might be it right here. Let's see. This might be it right here. Boom. Let's see. This might...
Yeah. It's not letting you line them, right? It's not letting you line
Boom.
them.
Now watch this. Now I should be able to do this
We
shit.
try to add this
Yeah, I
nigga,
should be able
man.
to do it now. Yep, I'm able to do it now.
Yup. Let's get it. Yup. Yup. Yeah.
Moment everybody been waiting
Yeah.
for. The moment everybody been waiting
Yeah.
for.
Yeah. Hey, get your YouTube ready, motherfucker. Get your YouTube ready, motherfucker. You heard? Yeah.
First ever.
This what y'all want? Is this what you want? Are you
I just
not
got my
entertained?
jury tested. They said they want you to bring yours in. They
What
said your
happened?
jury on the recall. TKO, they said it's a
Look.
recall on your jury. They need you to bring it in.
Well, check this out, bro. I didn't come up here to rag. You got that. I can never rag against you, but nigga, I'll always be more realer than you, nigga. So at the end of the day, keep on doing the shit you can do. You can read all day. You gonna win, make motherfuckers laugh. But at the same day, when I sleep at
But
night, nigga, I know I'm way
what
realer
happened
than
when
you,
you was
nigga.
reading 20? What
Any
happened when
day,
you was reading
any day. So you can
21
talk about, hey,
last
look,
night?
you
You
can
was
talk
a
about some
reader
jury,
last night.
nigga. Check this out.
You
You
was
can
a
always talk
reader
about some
last night.
jury, nigga. And my jury
You
can
Hold
was
be
a
on,
fake if
reader
you
last
TKO,
wanted to,
TKO,
as long as I'm not
TKO,
fake, my nigga.
TKO. Yo, Capone,
Remember that.
control yourself, control yourself,
Okay.
Remember
control
You
yourself.
was a reader.
Let him talk.
You was a reader
Control yourself, let
last
him
night.
talk.
You was a reader last night with 21 and you ran from me. You
that. Nigga,
called Boss Barbie and told her to
that's
in.
my sister.
That's what you
I
did.
will always
TKO, let
key,
him,
nigga.
let him,
That's
let him do it. Let
I
him
will
do what he
always
do. Let
key
him do.
with my
Let
sister.
him do you.
Hold on, bro.
TKO,
that's what you
control
Hold
yourself.
on,
Let him
bro.
talk. Let him
Chill.
talk. Let him
you
talk.
can't.
Chill, nature
He
boy.
can't.
Are
Let him
we
He
talk.
can't.
talking?
He gonna
We
hang up.
talking?
He gonna hang up. He can't stand this
No, what
pressure.
I'm saying,
You
Let
can't
him
stand this
talk. Let him
pressure.
talk. Let him talk.
what
You
I'm
Let him
can't
saying
stand
talk.
is
this
this, my
pressure.
nigga. I
Tell
was
me this. Tell me
what
this,
I do
drip
with
God.
somebody I
Tell
fuck
me this,
with.
drip God. Tell me
What I
this.
do with somebody I fuck with, it
Yo,
ain't your
y'all
business,
can't
nigga.
talk at the same
He's
time.
scared.
TKO,
Scared.
let him
Yeah,
talk. Show
Scared.
control.
He's
You said
scared
you
of
got
me.
self-control. Show
yeah,
him self-control right now.
You the drip God. You had on a
yeah, yeah.
fucking
I'm
trench
the
coat
drip guy,
yesterday.
my nigga. You know what it is.
Excuse me. You the drip God. You had on a trench coat with
Right,
fur on it,
right,
with a turtleneck under that,
right,
with the black jeans you just wore with that
right,
Burberry outfit, with
right.
some
Cause
church
you
shoes
watching,
and no
nigga.
socks.
But you watching me, nigga.
You had on church shoes with
TKO,
no socks
please
But
with
you
be
a straight
watching.
quiet.
up.
TKO.
He can't,
TKO,
cause
just let him
Hey,
talk.
cause
hey.
you a
TKO,
No,
let him
no. Me and
talk.
him
bum.
can
Let him
just line
You
talk.
a
up.
stink
Hold
stink.
on, bro. Let me and him just
Go
line
ahead.
up.
You can go first. You can go
Let me and him
first.
just line
You
up
can
on one
go
on
first.
one. We can just line up one
You
on
can
one.
go first. Go ahead. No, we can line up like we is. Don't run. It was cool with
Now I
21.
said
You
Let,
me.
thought
let
you
him
jumped me.
talk.
Nigga, I
Let him
said with
talk,
me
and
and you.
then you get to talk. Let him talk, and then you get to
You know,
talk.
He ain't.
Let him
He
talk
can't.
first, then you get
Can't.
to
yeah.
talk.
Cause he can't let me talk first. Cause you got all them broke ass
Like,
BIGO
like
bitches
I
that you trying to
said,
turn
nigga.
into hoes
Like I
with your
said,
fake
nigga.
look out of
I could
here.
never,
He's scared.
I could never
He's
talk
Start the
scared.
about you,
PK.
nigga.
Start the
He's scared.
PK.
What would be
Start the
It's
scared
PK.
of,
the 70s.
nigga? We talking through the internet,
It's
nigga.
in the
Shut the fuck
70s in
up.
Vegas.
Niggas and
It's in the
already ran.
70s in
Man,
Vegas.
shut the
Shut up.
fuck up, my nigga. You already know what it is. Cut
Listen,
that shit out, my
TKO.
nigga. Don't
In
stop,
real,
man. Stop, man. We don't give a fuck
in
about
real
none of
life,
that, nigga.
TKO.
Don't talk
PK.
about it, nigga.
TKO.
Don't talk about it though.
TKO. In
Don't
real
talk
life,
about it, cause I'm not gonna talk
in
about it.
real
And
life.
that's why I don't line up
Look,
with you, cause you gonna
yeah, I
talk about
know.
some
You
shit
a bitch.
and you gonna get yourself hurt, my
Cause
nigga.
you a
Just leave that shit
bitch.
alone.
Cause you a
Leave that shit
bitch.
alone, my
Man, on my
and
kids, I'll
listen, my
pull up
nigga.
on you.
Leave that shit alone.
I'll pull up on
Leave
you.
it. Leave that shit
I'll
alone.
pull up on you.
Like I said.
I'll pull up
Like
on
I
you.
said, leave
Threaten
that
me.
shit alone, my
Threaten me.
nigga.
I'll pull up on
Leave
you.
that shit alone,
Threaten
little
me.
nigga.
I'll pull up
On
on
the
you.
gang. Leave that shit
Hey,
alone.
Threaten me.
Key,
I'll
hey,
pull up on
you
you.
gotta go live. I'm
Threaten
inviting you
me,
right
bro, and
now.
I'll
My,
pull
I'm
up on
inviting you.
you.
I'm inviting you right
Threaten me
now.
and I'll pull up on
nigga.
I'm
you.
inviting you
Like I
right now.
said, you can never be
Threaten
a
me and I'll
you can
pull up
never be a
on
real
you.
nigga. Stay being a reader, nigga. Sitting up
Hold
being a
up.
drunk ass
Keys,
nigga.
Threaten me and
Keys
I'll
is in the
pull up
building.
on you.
Hey
You
yo,
can never
hey
be a
yo,
real
Keys
Threaten
is
me
in
and
the
I'll pull
building.
up on you.
like I
Yo,
said,
listen,
I don't
stop,
gotta
stop.
threaten you.
Don't be like no fucking
I don't
Threaten me
gotta
faggots
and
in
threaten
I'ma
you.
here.
pull up on
We
you.
I
gonna
don't
handle
gotta
this shit
threaten
like
you.
men. We gonna
Threaten me
handle
and
it
I'll
like
pull
I don't
up
men.
gotta
on you.
threaten the nigga.
We gonna handle it like men.
Threaten me and I'ma pull up on you.
Yeah.
Tell me I
Hey
I
yo,
won't
don't
pull
gotta
up
threaten
TKO,
on
you.
you.
don't say nothing.
Tell me I
I ain't
won't
gotta
pull up
threaten you.
Be
on you.
You ain't
stronger
gonna
than
Tell me
treat
I
me
him.
out my
won't come to
position.
Vegas by next
Hey,
week.
look, you ain't gonna
TKO,
treat
you
me out
gotta
my
be
Tell
position.
me
You
I
stronger
ain't
than
won't
gonna
come
try
him.
to
to
Don't
speak
Vegas
say
on my
by
that.
next
nigga.
week.
Simp.
I don't gotta
Tell me
threaten
I
you,
Hey,
won't
hey,
nigga.
come to Vegas
TKO,
We
by
trying
sit
to
next
play
nice.
week.
chess,
Keys is
nigga.
on the deck. Keys is on. Keys is on deck.
Yeah,
Keys
yeah,
on deck. Keys on deck.
yeah. You ain't gonna
I'll
trick
pull
me out
up
my
on you
Chill.
position, my
like
nigga.
a
I'm too
sniper.
smart. Play
On my
play chess with
mama.
all them
Hey
other
yo,
niggas.
On my
TKO,
mama, I'll
don't
Yeah,
pull
say
yeah.
up on you.
nothing.
Yeah, I'm the one to line
Don't
this
say
up right
nothing,
now.
bro. Don't
Yeah,
say nothing,
you
bro.
finally get to
Yeah.
be in the presence of a real nigga. I lined this up. You didn't line this up. I
No, I
lined this up,
don't.
nigga.
No, I don't
I
see
gave you
none.
permission to sit up
I
here
don't
with
see
me.
TKO,
none.
don't say
I gave you
nothing.
permission to sit up
Let
here
me
with me.
mute that nigga.
I gave you
I'ma
permission.
mute him.
I
Yeah,
thought you
I'ma
said you
mute him.
had
yeah,
self
mute
control, my
yourself. Sit
nigga.
back. Yeah, mute yourself, nigga.
I just
Yeah,
mute the
mute
nigga.
yourself, nigga. We ain't worried about none of that shit.
There we go. Now, bitch, when I'm
Mute
talking, you
yourself,
shut the
nigga. Like you
fuck up.
said, sit back
Shut
and
the
listen. What's
fuck
up
up
with
when
you,
I'm
Keys?
talking, you
What's
bitch.
up with
Oh
you?
Now
my
you keep
God, y'all
yelling,
acting
so
like
Man,
some
I ain't worried
hoes.
about none of
nigga, you
that
got
Y'all
shit,
both
fucking
nigga.
acting
time.
like some hoes.
Nigga, this
Hey,
Nigga, you acting
pastor,
like a hoe.
pastor,
this is
you
what you
show
do, my
restraint
nigga.
then,
You acting
pastor.
like
I'm
a
gonna
hoe.
tell you what you do,
Pastor, you
nigga.
You
show
acting like a
restraint
hoe.
then,
Hold on.
pastor.
I'm gonna tell you what you do,
Fuck you
nigga.
Somebody
talking
got to
about.
show the bigger man.
You way too nigga.
Somebody got to
Watch
show the
your
Cause
bigger
you're
mouth.
not a
man.
man in the first
Watch
place.
your mouth when
Somebody
you
got to
talk
show
to
the
the
bigger
people.
man.
Watch
This is
your
what this
mouth when
nigga
you
do.
talk
Yo,
to the
This is
people.
what this
hell,
nigga do. He wait till a nigga get popping on the motherfucking app. Anybody who's popping, this nigga befriends these motherfuckers and then he turns on you. You a snake, my nigga.
no,
That's why
Yo,
niggas
do
don't got
not
respect for
act
you,
like
nigga.
faggots on
Nobody got
here.
respect for you because this is what
Do
you do,
not
nigga.
act like
You don't
faggots
got
on
no
here.
realness up in you, nigga.
We men.
Read all day and all that
We are
shit. Niggas
men.
don't respect you, nigga. You know that.
TKO, we are men. Do not be
You
emotional.
know that shit.
Do not be
You know
emotional.
that
We are
shit,
men.
nigga.
We need to show
I don't even
we
know
need
you.
to
So
show
I can
them that
never
we're
read you,
men.
nigga. Hold on, bro. Hold on. I can never
Nah, we need to
hold
show
on,
hell
people that
nah.
we're
hold on,
men.
NB.
We're not faggots.
Hold on, we
We're
already got
not
hold on.
faggots. Do not do what
You
faggots
can't
Hold
shut
do.
up.
hold
You
on,
a
Do
bro.
not
faggot.
do
You
what
like
women do.
Hold on,
Do
bro.
not do what women
you is
do.
a
Talk your
faggot.
Do
shit,
not do what
TKO. Talk
God
that
faggots
shit,
do.
damn.
You's a faggot.
TKO.
Let us communicate.
Show fucking
Let
control,
me and
Yeah.
TKO.
let me and bro communicate with each other. So this is what I'm saying
Talk
is
that
this,
shit,
bro.
Show
TKO.
control, my nigga.
God damn. What the fuck?
You
No.
can't.
Cut that shit
No,
out.
we will not act like that right now. We about to be men. We gonna be men. We gonna be men, not females. We gonna talk like men. Like men.
Bro, we just talking. This is the internet, bro. Anyway,
Nah, y'all arguing
listen,
like females.
listen. Hold
One
on,
man
bro.
talk as a time.
Everybody been waiting
One
for
man
it.
talk at a time.
Bro, hold
One man
on.
talk at a time. One
Hold
man,
on.
control yourself, TKO. Control yourself.
Bro, I don't know if you tipsy right now, bro, but chill,
Control yourself, my nigga. What happened to self-control and humbleness?
bro, chill.
What happened to that?
Hey, you wilding out, bro. Chill.
Nah, my nigga,
Hold
we
on.
not gonna get hyped because he on the channel.
Hold
We
on.
gonna be men. We gonna be solid. We gonna be, let him
Yep.
talk. Take it on the
So,
chin. We
so,
men.
so check this
We
out.
not gonna be like these
Bro,
faggots on this line, my nigga. We gonna act like men. Men.
bro.
We're men. We are men.
He ain't,
All right, check it weird, bro.
he ain't no
Check,
man though, that you
so
boy.
check this out.
I feel you,
All I want to do
fam.
is say this.
But he ain't no man
Nigga, I
though.
could never
Be
talk.
quiet.
I can never talk about you, my nigga, because I don't know you. I don't sit up and watch you. I don't study you. I don't worry about another man because to me that shit is corny and that shit is weird, my nigga. So you can get up here and you can say whatever the fuck you want to say about fake this and fake that. That's cool, nigga. Keep that shit rocking. Do what you do. You a motherfucking reader. I ain't a motherfucking reader. I'm a player. I'm who I am, my nigga.
You was a
So
reader last
so at
night.
the end of the day,
You was a reader
hold
last
on.
night.
At the end of
You
the
was
day,
a reader
I
last
was still
night.
talking, my nigga. Why you don't want me to
You
interrupt
was
you,
a
right?
reader last
You don't want me
night.
to interrupt you?
Control
You was a
yourself.
Bring it
Control
around.
yourself, Pastor.
You don't want me to
Control
interrupt
Man,
you?
yourself.
listen, bro.
Control
Respect.
You
yourself.
quit playing Judge
Let him talk.
Mathis,
Let him
man. I
talk.
don't fuck with
Let him
niggas
get
of
his.
y'all the
Let him
time.
get his off. Let him get his off. Let him get his off. We men. We men. Let him get his off. When it's your turn, it's your turn.
So like I said,
Y'all niggas quit checking me, nigga. Fuck all of y'all. How about that?
nigga,
I'll beat all you
don't
niggas up in
nigga,
real
don't
life.
Shut
get
How
your
your
about that?
scary
niggas is
ass up. You ain't
How
on
about
this
that?
emotional.
shit. You ain't beat the
How about
motherfuckers
that?
ass
Niggas
until the
is
moment you found
emotional.
them from
Motherfucker,
your
I'll beat
Yo,
scary
all
ass.
y'all
fuck.
up.
You was in your
I'll
city
beat
the
up
next
all of y'all.
goddamn day. Motherfucker took $43,000 from your ass and came
I
to your
beat up
city the
all of
next day,
y'all.
told you
I
to
beat
pull
up
up,
all of
and you
y'all.
ain't
Shut
do
up,
shit.
bitch. I took
Shut
20
Y'all
your
from you,
niggas
nigga.
scary
acting
ass
I
like
up.
took
You
20
bras.
from
motherfucker
you.
always whining what
I
you
took
get
20
Y'all
20
from
ass.
niggas
you,
acting
nigga.
Bitch,
like
I
not
took
bras.
fight.
20 from you, nigga.
All
Goddamn.
y'all niggas
I took
acting
20
like
from
Just
you.
bras.
like Day Day.
Step
You just
daddy.
like Day Day and Friday. Who
Y'all
Step
got the
niggas
rent
daddy.
acting
money?
like
Who got the
bras.
rent
Step
money?
Let
daddy.
that
Knowing
man
Took
God
20
talk.
damn
from
well you
you,
ain't
nigga.
doing shit. Shut your
I took
Let that
20
scary
from
man
ass
you in
down.
talk
20
first.
minutes.
God
Y'all
damn.
I
scared.
took 20 from you
Y'all
in
scared
20
of
Sit
minutes.
your
Pastor P. Let
scary
him
ass
talk.
down. You can't fight for shit.
Let him talk, man. I can't fuck with y'all. What the fuck? Let him talk. Let him talk, man. Let him talk. Go ahead, Pastor. You talk first. We gonna listen. We not gonna say nothing.
Nigga, who the fuck you
Go ahead, bro.
that
TKO, you was
nigga?
a reader
Go
last
ahead,
Nigga, stop
night.
bro.
talking, nigga. What the
Go
fuck
He
you
ain't
ahead,
gonna
talking?
bro.
shut
What
up.
type of weird
He ain't
shit you
gonna
on,
shut
nigga?
up. He ain't gonna shut up.
Cut that shit down. That nigga,
He ain't gonna shut up. He's scared of real
I'm
niggas.
just saying
He's
we
scared of
men, man. We should have
get
more
that shit down. Weird as fuck,
self-control.
nigga.
he not gonna shut
We
up.
not
He
faggots.
not gonna shut
You
up.
acting like
Nigga,
faggots on here, my nigga.
He not
nah,
gonna
nigga,
We
shut up.
men.
yourself, nigga.
I bet you can't be
We just
quiet.
now let
I
that
bet
nigga
you
talk,
can't
and
be
this nigga talk
quiet.
about beating up everybody. Just
Yo, show some self-control, my
off,
nigga.
nigga.
Show some
You
self-control. Y'all
told me,
act like y'all scared of this nigga. Y'all act like y'all
TKO,
scared of
you
this
said you
nigga.
would
Hell
spit
no.
on me.
What?
You
Hey,
said you
self
would
control
spit
ain't when
on
you
me,
just sit
nigga.
back and
Look,
listen to a
hey,
You
just
said
motherfucker
you
let the
would
talk.
nigga
spit on
talk.
me,
Let the
nigga.
nigga
God
talk,
damn,
TKO.
You said you would spit
Let the
on me.
nigga
man.
talk. Let him talk.
Nature boy, you
It's
talking
just
more than
talk.
anybody, my nigga. What the fuck?
Go ahead,
You don't
Pastor.
want
Go
that
ahead. Do
smoke.
your thing,
Damn,
my nigga. Do
I,
your thing.
For you
Everybody
to
be
be the
quiet. Let
only,
Pastor talk.
I
you
wish
the
I would
only
Let
real
Pastor
nigga
talk.
on it.
Let
Let you
Pastor
be a
talk
real nigga.
first.
Getting
still,
your
my nigga.
fucking
You don't
hair
got a
pressed,
quarterback this
getting your
shit.
hair hot combed,
Oh my
putting on
God, you
makeup,
arguing
God
with a
wearing
nigga. You
contacts.
that's
arguing
just
with a
that.
nigga.
Hey,
You
Y'all
boy,
scared
that's
arguing
of
with
me,
a
his
man.
fact.
nigga.
Let
Y'all
her go.
scared of me.
God damn.
Scared of me,
Fuck
bruh.
out of here, my nigga.
You
Let
the
that nigga
only
talk.
real nigga I
He could
know
talk.
that been to the
So
joint.
like I
You the
told you, my
only real
nigga.
nigga I know.
So like I
You
told you.
still
Oh
won't
my
shut up. You just
God.
won't shut up.
So like I
You
told you.
won't shut up.
Yo, I
You
can't
won't
stand
shut
this
up, bro.
internet
You
shit.
Yeah.
won't
I
shut
can't
up.
stand this internet shit, yo.
You
I
won't
can't
shut up.
Talking,
stand this
bro.
internet
God
shit, yo.
damn.
You won't
Yo,
shut
let
up.
that man talk, man. Let that nigga
You
say what
won't.
he say,
The
man.
truth hurt.
It's just
The
words.
truth hurt.
God damn.
The truth hurt. You
So
not
like
a
I said
reader,
last
but you
night,
read
my nigga.
21 all night. And look,
Like
you
when it
still
comes
won't
down
shut
to nigga,
up.
shut the fuck
You
up,
still
nigga.
won't shut
You
up.
cut me
You
off, nigga.
still won't
Oh
shut up.
my
You cut
Fuck
me
you,
off,
God.
nigga.
nigga.
Fuck you,
You
nigga.
nigga, fuck
Fuck
you.
you, nigga. I
All right,
let you
that's cool.
talk
Yeah, fuck
already,
me, my
nigga.
nigga.
Oh
Fuck
I
my
me, my
let you
nigga.
talk
yeah,
already.
yeah.
I
So
let you talk.
so like I
Well,
If you
Pastor,
not
let
a
that
reader,
nigga
I
talk
wasn't
then
finished
first.
talking, my
Let
nigga.
him talk
no,
first,
let that
Pastor.
nigga talk already.
Pastor, let that nigga talk then
As
first, then,
soon as
nigga.
I started
Because he
talking,
can't
he
be
gonna
quiet.
keep
Let him talk
talking.
first. Let him talk
Go
first. Let him
ahead,
talk because
ladies
he can't.
first.
Go ahead,
Ladies
my nigga.
first. Go
Yeah.
ahead,
TKO,
bitch.
you go first. Go ahead, my nigga. You go first.
Like I said, I'm gonna say this shit again, nigga. I ain't gonna repeat myself. You
Pastor, don't say
no,
nothing.
come on, cuz. You're not gonna trick me out my position, my nigga. I don't know you, so I ain't got shit to bad to say about you, but you a hoe. You act like a hoe ass nigga. You do a lot of hoe ass feminine and shit. You dress up when you put wigs on with fucking lipstick. Act like a bitch. I can never respect that type of shit. When I first came on this app, I was cool with you. I was cool with you because you was one of them niggas that was like, okay, you was cool with me because I was a neutral nigga. But at the same time, you see a nigga start blowing up on this app, you start acting fake like a motherfucker. What you gonna do? You gonna pull up a picture of me when I'm dressed up like a pimp Goldie? With, because that's not dressing up like a bitch. That's the only thing you got up on me. And that's me dressing up like a pimp. Read the motherfucking caption. You dressed it up like a bitch, nigga. Yeah, straight bitch, nigga. With titties and ass and all of that shit, nigga. And I got pictures too. You already know that shit. So that's uncomparable. I dressed up like a pimp and put on and got the long hair. You dressed up like a bitch with eyeliner and shit and motherfucking lipstick and shit like that, switching and shit with your arms out and shit. That's faggot shit. Don't no real man do that shit, nigga. And that's why you get mad at homosexuals because you're a really nigga. You act homophobic because you really on the down low, nigga. That's why you talk about everybody. That's why you befriend everybody because if a nigga popping, you can get his. I already see. I already know your motherfucking kind. You see somebody come up on the app, you be cool with the niggas, you be friend with the niggas. Soon as niggas get popping, then you turn on the nigga. You do that with everybody. Nigga, you expose bitches news. What type of corny ass shit is that, nigga? You supposed to be a motherfucking man. No bitch can trust you. You drag bitches. Like niggas, the only people that respect you is old ass bitches,
All right.
retirement home.
All right, now it's his
So
turn. Let him
that's,
talk. It's
now
his
read the
turn.
caption.
It's
Read
his
the
turn to
caption,
talk.
nigga. I'm about to put up your shit. Watch this. Read the caption, nigga. That's
Read
goaded.
now. Give him a
Watch
turn. Give him a turn now.
go ahead.
Fair
He got a
game.
turn. Go ahead.
Show control.
This.
Now don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. Let him talk. Go ahead, Pastor.
Look at him. See him opt out. You see him opt out. That's how you opt out. He opt out. That's how you opt out. He go to the panel. Then he go switch back to a regular line. Boy, when you get through with all this fruity, felonious, asshole, assault behavior, I don't fuck girls in the pussy ass nigga. You fucked the bitch all in her ass until you was finna nut and then snuck it in her pussy. You tell a bitch don't bathe for 3 days and you want to watch her dookie before you put your dick in her. You tell them you want them to stink. You calling somebody gay with 20-cent motherfucking wigs on. You got weave and contacts, man. You have weave, contacts, and makeup, man. You get in Lamborghinis with another man and it's a two-seater. Brandon just left Atlanta and didn't go live all day in Atlanta because he was fucking Cherry the Boom. You just got through fucking Cherry the Boom. You, Brandon. On my grandmother's grave, you fuck Cherry the Boom, nigga. You been exposed how many times? You a 24-karat bitch. In real life, you have to go to Atlanta and get security to even fuck with me. You have to go get Cuddy them. You're scared of me in real life. Bitch, let me tell you like this. When we get through with all this internet shit, TKO,
All
I'm going to pull up on you like a diaper. I'm going to pull up on you like a
right.
diaper. I'm going to catch you at that gym. You got titties right now. It's 70
Who is
degrees in
this?
Vegas and you got on the
Who is
hoodie.
this right here?
It's 70
Who is this?
degrees in Vegas and
Stop,
you got on
Who
a
stop.
is
hoodie.
this?
All
It's
right,
70
Pastor
Hey,
P,
is
degrees.
this
You
you,
it's
All right,
my
my
still
nigga?
TKO
turn.
turn,
talking.
Pastor
My
You
P.
still
Is
turn.
this
talking.
you?
Pastor P,
You
it's
still
TKO
talking.
turn.
Is
My
that you?
You
turn.
still
Control
talking.
yourself.
Hold
You
on.
still talking.
Hold
It's
on.
It's not
Pastor
your
P
turn.
turn.
Hold on. Is that
It's
you?
not your turn. You still
I
talking.
would never.
You still
TKO,
I
it's
talking.
can
not your
never.
turn yet.
It's not your
Hold
It's
on.
turn.
not your turn
It's
yet,
not
Pastor.
your
Hold
turn.
on.
It's
Hey,
Pastor
You
P turn.
still
Hold on,
talking.
hold
hold
The
on.
on.
thing
How
is,
Hold
do
on.
you
Let him finish.
feel?
Let him finish. Let him
How do
finish.
you feel your kids got to grow up with
Let
you
him
parents
still
this?
finish.
talking.
They got to look
You
at their
still
father like
talking.
this.
You still talking. You still
Hold
talking.
on.
You
Yo,
Hold
still
on.
let
talking.
him
Is that you or
finish.
not you, my
You
nigga?
Yo,
still talking.
TKO, control yourself, my nigga. Control
Is
yourself.
that you or
Let him
not you, my
finish.
nigga?
Let him finish.
My turn.
They got to call this.
You
This.
still talking,
Hold
So you.
bro.
on. Let him
What
You
finish.
type of?
still
Hold on.
talking.
Let him
What?
finish.
Listen. What type of straight man would do that? That's
Yo,
not gonna
I'm
You
stay in
still
the house
asking
talking.
you
with.
to
You
let him
still
finish,
talking. It's not
TKO.
your
What type
turn.
of straight
It's
man would
not
do
your
some shit
turn.
like this?
It's not your turn. It's not your
Oh
turn.
my
What straight man
God,
said that you don't
TKO, will
want to
you
fuck a man?
please let this
Why
man
Armani can't
finish
get her
before
pussy
you
in?
go? It's not
Hey,
your turn
Why
yet,
I
you won't
know
let
TKO.
why.
Armani in her
Listen,
pussy?
I know why you talk
Why
shit about
won't you
It's
Armani because
fuck
not
you
your
feel her
Armani
better
turn
than
in her
yet.
Armani,
pussy?
nigga. You
Why
you
Bro,
won't
feel
it's
you
like
not
fuck
your
this.
turn
Armani in
yet,
her
nigga.
pussy? Why you
Oh,
won't let Armani get some dick in her pussy?
look at
Why
that.
won't you fuck your girl in her
Look
pussy?
at that.
Why did you tell Liz you wanted to play tonight? Why did you tell Liz you wanted to?
Hey,